guys, it's Tay Tay Movie Maker, and today we'll be testing 5
Actually, I only tested 4 slimes, not 5.
viral slimes, so let's get started. So for this video, I'm not going to be doing measurements, but if you want like a measurements video, then comment down below.
First, I'm making butter slime, so I'm going to add in some Elmer's glue. So now I'm adding in some cornstarch. You want to have an equal ratio of cornstarch to glue. So however much glue you put in the same amount of cornstarch. Now I am adding in some Tide laundry detergent. Add in little bits at a time, and then eventually as you keep adding, mix it up and it will turn into slime. Next, I am making birthday cake slime, so now I am pouring in some Elmer's glue. Now you want to add in some shaving cream. You want to add in about double the amount of glue you added in. Again, I'm just adding some Tide laundry detergent and mixing it up until it forms into slime. So you can find these at Target. They are little circular beads, and I really like the color. They just reminded me of like birthday cake sprinkles and just that kind of theme. So now I'm adding those into the slime and then mixing it all up. Next is ombre slime, so you want to add a little amount of Elmer's glue and then pick a color of food coloring and mix it up. Add little bits of your Tide and mix it up. So when you finished your slime, you want to make the same exact slime but in 2 more different colors. Now I am just adding all 3 of the colors into the container. I did blue, pink, and green. So leave them in an airtight container overnight, and when you open it in the morning, they should be very bubbly, crunchy, and a nice ombre effect. Last but not least, I will be making galaxy slime. So now I'm adding in some Elmer's glue and I'm adding in some lotion. I'm using Joyful. Now I'm adding in some blue food coloring, and since I didn't have purple, I'm also adding in some red, so when you mix those two together, you will get a nice purple color. Now that I have the color I like, I'm adding in 3 packs of these really sparkly beads. I'm doing blue, purple, and silver. Once they're all mixed in, add in your Tide laundry detergent, and then you should be good to go, and you should have some really, really pretty galaxy slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you try to make any of these slimes.